Hey guys, so it's been a while, I know. So we are going to be sharing with you the car that I bought this year, which is the Golf 7 1.4 TSR. Let me show you. Guys, you won't believe it. Best vehicle I've ever bought. I'm going to show you the bits of accessories that I've added on. But we'll take you for a complete little walk around. Let me show you. Check at this, guys. Check at this. Check it. You understand what I'm talking about? You see? Do you feel me? We got sunroof. We got sunroof. Magnificent. Magnificent. Rline. Okay, so we start off. We added these little fender badges. Nice little add on to the fender there. We added these windshields, and we added this little boot spoiler at the back. Beautiful. Oh yeah, let's not forget these louvers. Maybe you can see them from here. Yeah, so that's those louvers. Let's have a look inside. Oh, she's locked. Where's the keys? Dylan, where's the car keys? Can you handle it? Turns out Dylan had nothing to do with the car keys. Okay. Full leather interior. Wow. Wow. Check it out. It's lekker to check the stars at night. We've got touchscreen. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. So guys, we will be making another video where we'll be spraying or painting these brake calipers. So we'll keep you in touch when we'll be doing that. And then yeah. Oh yeah, just thinking of what other accessories I'm getting. Something here in the front. I'll be getting something over here. Maybe you guys can maybe guess it. Something around there. But yeah, we take it one step at a time, one accessory at a time. So hope you guys liked that video. Give it a like, give it a share, tell your friends, watch the video. You guys want more couple challenges, we'll do it. Give us send us some examples, what videos you want. Maybe there's something out there that you've seen that we haven't seen that you want us to try out. As long as it's not too hectic, not going to break any bones, we'll try almost anything and everything. So go for it. And no hot stuff, no chip challenges and things like that, because I've got a very sensitive stomach when it comes to those type of things. So yeah, peace out, cheers guys.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise Sunrise to starlight, day to night, nature's canvas unfolding so great.